Vechain at the time of this recording continues to see higher prices and continues to show a little bit of some bullish momentum. And the next key area of resistance that I'm watching for a break above lies above the 0.025. And on today's update video, I will be discussing an additive structure that is playing out here on the 4-hour chart before I dive deep into the 4-hour chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 1-hour chart, from the lows we made below the 0.02226, I have been observing an additive structure where I have been terming that initial bounce as the formation of that wave 1. Then we saw a bit of a pullback in the formation of that second wave, and I believe that whatever is playing out over here is the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side, and the minimum target areas for the third wave can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of that second wave, and on so doing, the area that I'm paying attention to lies on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.02624, an area that we can easily maximize in the next coming days. And for that to play out, we first need to see a break above resistance above the 0.025, flipping that key area back into support with a retest. And the moment that plays out, then we can skyrocket to fully maximize our minimum target areas, expect a wave 4 pullback, and then continue pushing even higher. We also need to have an invalidation case scenario, and that can only play out in case we get a pullback, losing the significant low we made in the formation of that second wave below the 0.02345. The moment we break that significant low, then I believe that this additive structure over here will have hit invalidation points, and we can easily see a reset of the lows we made on the 6th of June in the next coming hours or maybe days. And if that plays out, then the additive structure that I have here on the 4-hour chart will come into play, where I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the downside from the highs we made above the 0.034, where I have been terming that initial drop as the formation of that first wave. Then we saw a bit of a bounce in the formation of that second wave into the minimum target areas for the wave 2 highlighted on the charts using that yellow target area, an area within which we got rejected, starting a pullback in the formation of this wave 3, and that pullback fully hit the fib ratios 1:1, giving us a bit of a bounce in the formation of that wave 4 to the upper side. And I believe that whatever is playing out over here is now the start of a pullback in the formation of this wave 5 to the lower side, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the high of the wave 1 to the low of that first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the wave 3. And on so doing, the area that I'm paying attention to lies on the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.01858, an area that we can easily maximize in the next coming hours or maybe days. So that is all that I'm expecting here on the Vechain chart, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.